Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do another Juicy Couture handbag review. So in my previous Juicy Couture handbag review, the Daydream Satchel video, I did mention that I had another smaller Juicy bag, which is where I got the heart chain from. And I thought I would just show you guys that bag as well because it's super cute. Here it is. It came in this beautiful box, which is super useful. It says Juicy Couture, Los Angeles, California, and there's polka dots all over it. And that's the bottom. It wasn't ombre, it's just because I put it by the sun, so it kind of washed out the color, but I actually think it looks kind of pretty. And yeah, so that's the box. And inside the box, we have the bag and the charm. So it came in this adorable box like this. And the charm you've seen before in my previous Juicy video. It just has a heart clip that says Juicy Couture, and there is the heart charm that says Juicy Couture, and then the fuzzy heart charm itself. And then there's just the bag itself. It is this luxuriously plush, fluffy material, and then it's faux leather, I believe. And then here it says Juicy Couture, and it's a golden princess crown or queen. The back is like a dusky rose color. I love that there is a back slip pocket, and you open it up by a magnetic closure. And inside here I have the strap. Right, so the inside of the bag looks like this. It's the typical Juicy Couture signature all over, the monogram. There's one large slip pocket that runs almost the entire length of the bag. It's quite deep as well. Then there is a Juicy Couture little logo here and a zippered pocket at the back. So every time I wear this bag, I get so many compliments and so many people ask me where it's from. A lot of the time people think it's like Prada or something. But yeah, it's just Juicy Couture. It was very inexpensive. I think it was like maybe $35 to $40 for the set. And I'll show you how the clip looks on. So yeah, it's just super adorable. So now I'm going to discuss the pros and cons of this bag. So the pro of this bag is that it's adorable. It really stands out. I can't say I have any other fluffy purses or like plush purses. And what's great about that is because the pink color is so summery, it works in the summer. But because it's fluffy, it also works in the winter. I actually tend to use this as like a dead of winter bag because it's fuzzy and warm, but also the bright pink color just lifts my spirits because I get pretty bad seasonal depression in the winter. The fact that it comes with this heart charm in the beautiful box is super good value. The back slip pocket is so useful. And here is the iPhone 7, fits perfectly in there with plenty of room to spare. You could even put tissues in there, feminine products, a catch-all. It fits a lot, so it's really useful and easy access. The gold crown at the front is very beautiful. A lot of flap style bags, the top here is usually very stiff. So when you go to open it, it's kind of just like very constrained. I like that this is really floppy, so it just completely goes down, so it's very easy to open the bag and get your stuff. The inside of the bag is lightly lined because it's white fabric for the most part, so it's very easy to see your belongings. The inside pocket is very useful. And that's about all the pros I can think of. Now for the cons of this bag. I would say size is a con, but obviously you go into it knowing that it is a mini bag, so of course that's not really a con. I will say it's a bit cheaply made when you look carefully. The crown logo is very wonky, it's very crooked. There was two other ones at the store and they all looked like that, so that's, you know, but you get what you pay for. Obviously it's like a $35 bag. Another con is because of the nature of the fluff, it is not waterproof, so I imagine on a really rainy day. This would just get destroyed and it would be like a wet dog. While the inside has a lot of pockets and compartments, because it is so narrow and small at the base, there's really not a lot you can fit in here. And the biggest con, I would say, is the strap. It's incredibly wonky, and no matter how much I've tried to straighten it out, it just stays really twisted like this, and it just makes the whole bag look so cheap. The hardware here is constantly twisting as well. But all of this to keep in mind that it is a very affordable bag, so it's just the nature of it. So now I'm going to show you guys what fits inside this particular little bag. So in the front slip pocket here, I like to put my essentials. So my wallet, sanitizer, my compact and brush, mask, and my keys. So that pretty much fills up the bag. You could probably fit like a lipstick or something small, but that's it. It's just the bare essentials. That's usually how it goes with mini bags. And then the cell phone fits in the back pocket like this, super comfortably. So now on to some mod shots of this bag. So here we have me wearing the bag as a crossbody style. Here is the side view, and from the back, and from the other side, and from the front once again. And this is it on one shoulder. You could also wear it as a clutch if you wanted to. So overall, I would say that this bag is a super cute buy, especially if you're into ultra girly things. And yeah, overall for the price, I think it's not bad and I would recommend it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!